The lightweight and user-friendly solution aims to ensure every drone pilot can adhere to FAA regulations. By DroneLife staff writer Ian J. McNabb, Zing Drone Solutions recently announced their new Z-RID Lite, an affordable remote ID broadcast module that fully adheres to FAA regulations. While more fully featured remote ID modules are available, including Zing's own Z-RID, the new Lite model is designed as a stripped-down alternative for pilots who just want to be compliant. Our commitment at Zing Drone Solutions has always been to innovate while keeping the drone community's needs at the forefront, said Ian Annase, CEO of Zing Drone Solutions. With the Z-RID Lite, we're ensuring that every drone pilot can afford to comply with the FAA regulations, fostering a safer and more regulated airspace. The Z-RID Lite is a simple, plug-and-play solution that weighs only 30 grams and features GNSS positioning and Bluetooth 4+5 broadcasting capabilities. While the initial deadline for remote ID compliance was September 16, 2023, full enforcement won't begin until March 16, 2024 due to poor availability of RID modules and FAA-recognized identification areas. FAA representatives warned of the importance of prompt adoption before the deadline, reminding operators that they must either 1. Fly a remote ID-compliant drone, 2. Acquire a remote ID broadcast module, or 3. Fly in a designated flying area, FRIA, to remain compliant.